why not indulge in a little me time? Stillpoint Medicine offers many services that can help you look and feel your best just in time for summer. And here to explain more, we have Dr. Tamara Taber from Stillpoint Medicine. It's great to have you back on the show.
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
and for those who are not familiar, tell us a little more about Stillpoint Medicine. What makes you so different?
Okay, well, I had envisioned this medical practice for about 15 years. I'd lay in bed and I'd think about what it would look like. And so it is the accumulation of what I think a perfect clinic should be. We offer so many different services, all the way from diet therapy or lifestyle medicine to osteopathic adjustments to, flotation therapy, which is, which is called also sensory deprivation tank. That's kind of a big spa thing now, but I'm taking it to use in medicine and to help with depression and anxiety. And then I also have a laser, a Fotona Laser, which does over 50 different procedures. So I want to make sure my patients get healthy. And with that, I want them to experience all parts of medicine, if it to be to beautify yourself or to, or to help your family in the way they eat or exercise or things like that.
I love the fact that you pointed out that you spent 15 years really thinking about what wellness is. You're not just treating an illness, but you're treating the overall package from the inside and out.
Exactly.
So tell us a little more about some of the services that you provide, because you hit on a lot of them, but I know there's some very specific ones that you're really excited about.
Well, if you'd asked me a year ago if I'd get a laser, I would have said, no way. Because all my colleagues that I'd worked with had these fancy dancy lasers that would do all these, well, actually do one great thing, and it'd be obsolete in a year. And what happened is I discovered this Fotona Laser, which I'm the only one in Sacramento that has this. It is kind of big in LA right now, and and the reason why I liked it so much is it is a patented process that the Fotona has done, in which they've taken 2 wavelengths of laser and put it together in one machine. So there is no other machine in the United States that does this. And what I'm able to do is not only hit like a fat layer, like some of the other sculpting procedures out there do, but I've also hit the skin layer. So so that's kind of what it does.
So,
it combines things.
When you're saying you get a service done with this Fotona Laser, then not only are you targeting, what does the laser do? What are some of the things you can do with the laser?
Okay, it can treat snoring with people with sleep apnea.
Okay.
It can treat I brought up last time I was on the show, vaginal tightening and incontinence treatment. So it can do so many different things. One of my favorites are tight sculpting and what's called a 4D facelift.
Okay, and we're actually looking at some results from the laser. So what are we seeing right here?
Well, that is what's called tight sculpting.
Okay.
That is 3 procedures, and when you come in for a consultation, I will talk to people, or my patients, about what would work best for them. And that happens to be 3 treatments, because that's the minimum I will start with, because you're just not going to see any results until you've done 3. Then I'll do like a la carte. Now this is what's called a 4D facelift. The reason it's called 4D is there's 4 different procedures. It takes an hour of me, and I do all my procedures because I'm kind of a perfectionist. Yeah.
No way.
Is. Yeah. That is 3 4D facelifts, which is part of my package. I start every. This actually is one of my favorites, because you look at it and you go, wow, look at her eyes. And look at her cheeks. I mean, some people, you know how much money they spend on having implants or Restylane or different things, and this is 3 of my 4D facelifts. You can see it on the sides, on how the lifting, and that was an hour of this patient's time, 3 times.
And the downtime is very minimal. You
0.
even did it this morning. Look at you here
I
chatting
did it
with me.
on myself this morning. Oops,
Wow.
I was going to say I had it done this morning. I done myself. And I wanted to show people that there's no downtime. I'm sitting here talking with you. I've got my makeup on. I've had my patients go to work right after it.
Wow.
There's a little redness for about an hour,
but you look great. I would have no clue.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely amazing. And as you'd mentioned, though, I do want to point out that laser, it tightens the skin, which, if you know anything about any type of beauty procedure, that's almost unheard of. I mean, that's really hard to do.
Yes.
So the fact that you get two things done at once is a big deal.
Exactly.
You have a special offer for our viewers.
I do. What I want to do is invite people into my office and see what I do. So I am offering a consultation and the 4D facelift. You need a consultation to be able to so I can tell you what you need and give you a really good, realistic picture of how much this is going to cost. So some people it's more than 3, some people it's 8 procedures. I mean, it depends where they are, especially with the tight sculpting. So I'll tell you exactly how it is. So right now for the first 10 callers, I'm offering my 4D facelift. It's normally $4,800. I'm offering it half off, $2,400. There's your 4D facelift, and set up a consultation. That's extra. I'm offering a price point different on that. It's normally $129. I'm offering it for $70. You get an hour of my time to talk about any health issue you want to. I say any, 5. 5, anything you want to talk about, and I'll give you my opinion, what you can do on your own, alternative therapies, and tell you what I can do. If you want to have me help you get there, great. If not, you're going to walk away going, I've got an hour of a doctor's time telling me what I can do.
Yeah, and more information, which we all know is really hard to get, especially in this day and age.
I know.
Yeah.
I spend time with my patients.
Yes, and where can people go so they can reach you?
Stillpointmed.com is my website, and also my phone number is 916-721-4760, and I do have some people standing by to take your name and number, and we'll get back with you because we got quite a few phone calls last time. And as for the consultation, I will offer that through the month of June.
Wonderful. So they can be all ready for their summer vacation.
That's exactly it.
Excellent. Dr. Taber, thank you so much.
Thank you.